Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a scorpion since we're in Arizona and there are a lot of them in Arizona, and this is kind of like an Arizona based theme drawing. So let's get started. First we're going to start with the head. It's going to be a line like this. Also, check out the scorpion lollipop video, guys, because if you haven't watched that, it's really cool. There's these special lollipops that are only found in Arizona, and they have real scorpions in them. And for this drawing, we're gonna draw a bark scorpion. And yeah, these are the most dangerous scorpions out here in Arizona, in the deserts and in the houses of people. And they live in houses, gardens, little crevices. And they eat crickets and little bugs, so if you have them in Arizona, then you better ask your pest control to take out all the crickets and bugs out of your house. Because then if you're scared of arachnids or have like arachnophobia, which is when you're scared of arachnids. In fact, arachnids are actually like in the family which spiders, tarantulas, and scorpions are in. So yeah, we're gonna draw the legs like that. And then we're gonna come here. So this potentially is a bark scorpion. And bark scorpions are the most poisonous scorpions. Yeah, I already said that, but like, you know, it's worth saying again, most poisonous. And they're not giant hairy scorpions. Giant hairy scorpions are much more bigger, and these bark scorpions are small, light brown, and yeah. So actually, these are special kind of scorpions. They're actually, if you shine them against ultraviolet light, then they will shine this purplish blue light back. So like, it's kind of whitish. Yeah. And so these are actually my favorite scorpions because of the potent and the venom inside them, which can actually kill a human. And yeah. So if you haven't checked the lollipop video, we also talked about how we went to Sedona. We actually made that video yesterday, and so we went to Sedona that day yesterday. And we saw like what lizards? I saw like 3 lizards. They were spiny lizards, but I didn't, you know, what was it? I thought it was a skink, but then when I saw it on a poster, in the red rock scenic byway. It's hard to remember stuff for me sometimes. Usually I have good memory, but in videos I get tangled up. Okay, now the claws. Now let's add the stinger. This stinger is small but powerful again. Kill a human, unless it's a healthy human. Just like that. Go. There. And there. Now we have to just draw the other side. Now these scorpions are easily identified by their 8 legs, 4 on each side, and their narrow-shaped poisonous tail because of the sharp edge on the bottom, which is full of poison. And there you have it, a scorpion. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and if you haven't checked the lollipop video, please check it out, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!